why people fail in Forex. Now, this is a really important topic that I really want to talk to you about. I tell my students, and it's so powerful. I've written down the top 10 things about why you will fail in Forex. So listen up, because this is going to be good. Hey guys, so here I am in a random bar. No, it's not. It's actually a good friend of mine's hotel, and this place is incredible. But anyway, the sun has set, and I've been working here on my laptop, and I just was speaking to my team, my students, my traders, and I thought, you know what, this video is going to be really powerful for everybody, because people get really impatient with Forex. So the number one reason why people fail is they are just stuck on the get rich quick. You just don't want to ever be patient about how you make your money. You want to start off with £100 account or $100 account and try and make it like this £1 million account in a small amount of time. That's the biggest problem. You are not, number two, working with large enough funds. So you need to have enough money to trade money and make money and profits from it. So Forex is the only industry that you need money to start off with, because if you are going to try and get this tiny account to grow, you're going to be gambling, you're not trading, you're going to have zero risk management, and everything's going to go out the window. So what's the solution? Well, get bigger funds. Either put a little part of your income into your trading every month, or secondly, go onto something like a trading fund that even Fortune Academy does for you. We have links below if you really want to join, but you have to be part of our Fast Track Forex program, or you have to be part of our Pinnacle or Precision trading programs, because only through our trading strategies am I willing to give you money. Now, 25,000 is the minimum that we give you, up to 200,000. And what's in it for us? We split the profits. That's why I am so excited about giving people funds, because you would actually make me profits as well as yourself from your Forex trading, and that's safe trading. So make sure you've got big funds in there. If you haven't, speak to me, jump on the links below, and we'll figure out a solution. Next, you can't win every month. That means every single month. A lot of Forex traders, when they're brand new, they even say, how much should I be making every month? Well, that conversation is really naive. That means that you expect 10% every month, which by the way is not going to happen. You need to be on a certain amount a year. I would want you to look at your performance in a 6-month period or a 12-month period. That's how you measure your success as a trader, not I'm going to have 10% a month. The markets might not give you that. This is not an industry that's friendly. The markets are not your friend. You've got to figure out how to trade it and trade it well. So don't rely on a monthly performance. You might have a great month and then have a really bad month straight after that. That's okay if you are overall up. Does that make sense? So don't rely on a monthly paycheck, or don't rely on, like a set amount every month. It's just not going to happen, guys. That's too 9-to-5 thinking. You've got to be a bit more sophisticated in your approach. Approach it like an investor and look at it as 6 months or 12 months. Forex is the only industry that you cannot win every trade. This is probably the only industry where you actually have to get used to losing. Now that's so depressing. Most people can't even get their head around not winning everything. We grow up in this industry or this schooling system that we have to pass exams. We are used to like passing everything. And if we fail, we are, if we don't get the pass on every test, then you feel like a failure. And that's what Forex does to people. It gets people really depressed, because when you lose, you feel like, oh, why have I lost a trade? That's really bad, But let me give you a little heads up. You are supposed to lose around 70% of your trades. 60 to 70% of your trades are gonna be losing trades. Yes, that's correct. So that's going to make you feel really depressed. So how does a trader make money then? That's because their wins are much bigger and their losses are small. Okay, so it's just all about risk management. I talk about this so much. It's the rolling risk management. I do this in the Fast Track Forex program. So if you have no idea, the beginning step for you is the Fast Track Forex program. Links are below, so you can 100% start. It's suitable for beginners. If you're already a trader and you want to just jump up to the next level, then to be honest, you need to do the fast track and then upgrade to the next level, because a Fast Track Forex is the cheapest program that we create, because I want everybody to be able to learn how to trade properly with a strategy that is really, really powerful. Next, Are you overtrading? Overtrading means, are you spending more than 1 hour a day on your Forex charts? Now, Forex is different to stocks, it's different to bonds, it's different to every other market like crypto, etc. You do not need, only through Fortune Academy would I advise this, but we do not allow you to trade more than 1 hour. Even the Fast Track Forex program, the first beginner level, we will give you an aggressive strategy that will make you money, and you can see the turnaround in 24 hours to 48 hours. But ultimately, I don't allow you to trade more than 1 hour. That's a pretty big statement. Now, many people are trading 4 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours, staring at a screen all day, like forcing trades to come to life, and that's exactly why you're losing. You need to stop doing that, guys. Overtrading is going to make you lose big money. Next, are you speaking to people who are actually traders and profitable traders? Because many people, I'll give you an example. I am part of a mentorship group with, for example, Kobe Bryant. Everyone knows who Kobe Bryant is because he passed away recently, but his coach, his mentor, peak performance coach, was a guy called Tim Grover, and I am part of his mentorship. So what he does is he's got a Facebook group as well, just like how we have Facebook groups for our students. And there was a couple of people in there that were, well, one person that was talking about trading and saying that, yeah, I can't trade, guys. I feel like I'm stressing out when I'm making this trade. And there's nobody else who's a trader there apart from me. He's asking the wrong audience. Does that make sense? Like, he's talked to athletes, sports, other executives, etc. It's got nothing to do with them, and they can't help you. They can't give you the advice. So stop asking people. Stop getting validation on Forex by people who don't trade Forex. Like, that's the dumbest thing you could do. And the guy was getting validation from some of the sports coach saying, yeah, you know what, it's all about this focus. And the guy doesn't even trade Forex, and he's giving advice on people how to trade Forex. Please just don't do that. Like, don't get advice from people that don't trade FX. Stop asking for a pity party. If things get tough, go into a Forex community that trade the same system as you, not random systems. There's so many different systems. So that's why a mentorship group is so powerful. Fortune Academy has that. We have that for our Fast Track Forex. We have that for Pinnacle, which is our intermediate. And then we have that for Precision, which is a top level. Every level you go to, you have a community. You got a Facebook group. You get, that's the place you speak about trading. You don't go speak about it to random people. And last but not least is, of course, you need a good strategy. I don't know what your strategy is right now. If you're one of my students, you have a great strategy because it's something that I know is safe. It's going to give you, we've got long-term, medium-term, and short-term strategies, and we've got really aggressive strategies, and that's what's in Fast Track Forex, just to give you what you want. So you need a good strategy. You need really, really strong risk management. And just so you know, the two most important things in trading are not so much the entry, but how you get out and your risk management. So those two areas you really need to nail. And of course, trading psychology. So work on yourself every single day. That's why I've got the Millionaire Mindset program. If you want to come on a workshop again, they are in London, but you should come along. It's the same training I give to Credit Suisse bankers and other high net worth individuals, business owners. It's a very powerful place to start if you want to work on your mindset. So work on that, work on all the things I've said. And remember, trading is not easy. It's not supposed to be easy. Otherwise, everybody would just be traders. Let's face it. It's a very tough industry. 95% of people fail. So don't give yourself a hard time. There's always a turnaround. There is always a comeback from here. Let me help you. If you need that guidance, let me help you. Click on the links below. Jump on Fast Track Forex. There is a free webinar. So if you want to see a little bit more of what we do and the results of our students, then jump on the free webinar, have a look, and then you can decide. And then, of course, after that, we can take you as far as you want to go. You can trade £25,000, you can trade £200,000, you can get up to 2 million per head if you are a good trader. Trust me, I will be working hard with you and making sure that you get to the top when it comes to Forex trading and performance, because I work on mindset before money. So thank you guys, hope you enjoyed this video. I have plenty more like this coming up. If you like this topic, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I've got loads of more topics coming up, Forex related, just money related, just life related, and mindset. That is my favorite topic as well. So anyway, click the links below to find out more about how to join Fortune Academy, the Fortune family, work with me, and I'll see you next time. Bye.